The story of the little bluebird. In a lush green forest, there lived a little bluebird named Blue. Blue was a cheerful and curious bird, always eager to explore the world around him. One day, while flying through the forest, Blue stumbled upon a hidden clearing. In the center of the clearing stood a tall, ancient oak tree. Drawn by an unseen force, Blue landed on one of the oak tree's branches. As he perched there, he noticed a small, wooden door at the base of the tree. Curiosity piqued, Blue pecked at the door until it swung open. Inside, Blue found a winding staircase leading down into the darkness. With a mix of excitement and trepidation, he began to descend. The staircase seemed to go on forever, but Blue pressed on, determined to uncover the secrets hidden within the ancient oak. Finally, the staircase ended, and Blue found himself in a dimly lit chamber. In the center of the chamber, he saw a glowing orb resting on a pedestal. As Blue approached the orb, it began to hum, and a beam of light shot out, engulfing him. Blue felt a strange sensation, as if he was being pulled apart and put back together at the same time. When the light subsided, Blue looked at himself and gasped. He was no longer a little bluebird, but a human boy. Confused and scared, Blue wandered through the chamber until he found another staircase leading upwards. He climbed the stairs, hoping to find his way back to the forest. The staircase led him to another clearing, but this one was different from the one where he had found the door. This clearing was filled with strange and wondrous creatures, unlike any Blue had ever seen before. There were talking animals, plants that glowed in the dark, and even tiny, winged people. Blue was amazed by everything he saw, and he soon forgot his fear and confusion. He spent days exploring this magical world, making new friends and learning about the different creatures that lived there. But after a while, Blue began to miss his old life in the forest. He missed his family, his friends, and the familiar sights and sounds of his home. With a heavy heart, Blue decided to return to the ancient oak tree and find the orb that had transformed him. He hoped that it could turn him back into a bluebird. When he reached the chamber, the orb was still there, glowing softly on the pedestal. Blue approached the orb and touched it. Once again, the beam of light engulfed him, and he felt the strange sensation of transformation. When the light subsided, Blue looked at himself and smiled. He was a bluebird again. Happy to be home, Blue flew back to his forest, eager to share his adventures with his family and friends. He knew that he would never forget his time in the magical world, but he was also glad to be back where he belonged.